I am so excited today. I just got a package in the mail. Now, this is high school curriculum. It's actually from the Notgrass History Company, and I'm going to be doing a review of their Exploring Economics high school level curriculum, and I'm going to try it out with my daughter. But it just came in the mail, so we're going to unbox it and see what's inside, and then from there, we're going to see what's it involves. But the reason that I picked this curriculum to review for them is because, well, my daughter's going to be a senior next year, and we've covered money management, stewardship a little bit, but as she's going to be going into fashion design and tends to get really overwhelmed with a lot of curriculum that is really labor intensive, this looked like a very fun and engaging way to make it applicable to a lot of the things that she's going to be dealing with picking up materials and dealing with in the consumer marketplace. And also, it's rigorous enough that she's going to learn a lot through it. And also includes literature. So this is a half credit for high school economics, but also if you put the literature in with it, they say that it is also a half credit for English, which is awesome. So in here is a catalog, so you definitely see what else they have to offer. I'm going to put the scissors down because I'm going to hurt myself. And here is a bunch of different, looks like workbooks. So it goes through all of the different units in here, and it's a student review, which is nice because sometimes my daughter gets overwhelmed by the whole textbook, and if she can just have a summary already written for her instead of having to take notes, this is great. Oh, and here they tell me what's in the review pack. But next is the quiz and exam book. Oh, that looks not too difficult. It won't be so overwhelming for her. It's black and white, but at high school level, I don't expect color in there. And then a guide for parents and the answer key. Oh, that's important because sometimes I have had curriculum where I've had to figure out the answer, and it's not always the easiest when it's a more intense program like high school. So excited about that. Let's see what else is in here. This is a big box, by the way. And these books are really heavy. This came with the list of everything in here. Now I get to open this, and I'm going to pick up my scissors again and see what's in here without damaging the book. So, but there are, like I said, there is literature involved that didn't come with this package, but that's really good for us because we tend to do all of our books as audiobooks because we travel a lot. And so the books that'll go with this, because we're gonna use this for a couple weeks just to try it out for the review, but next year is when I plan to use it. So over the summer we're gonna be on the road for 6 weeks. Yeah, crazy life. But what we'll do is we'll download all those audiobooks on Audible and listen to them in the car while we're driving. So so we'll have all the literature already done before we start this next year. All right, so here is the Exploring Economics book. Like I said, it's really thick, very heavy. And as you can see, there's lots of pictures. It's well put out. And then there's assignments for these lessons. And it includes making choices, so what they need to read, the literature that goes with it, like I said, a project, and then also the student review. So there's something for the student to do along with it. It isn't just read the textbook, take the test, but let's apply this right away. And I have to tell you, Ray Notgrass wrote this, and I greatly admire this man. He's a man of God, and so I'm really excited to be able to apply economics in a godly way in teaching it to my daughter. And like I said, I'm going to do the review in a couple weeks after we've worked with this for a while, and just let you know how it worked. So thanks for joining me for the unboxing. This was also another book that came with it. Totally forgot. But in here is a bunch of different reads of various things, and I don't even know what it is. But it's a bunch of texts that were written. I'm sure that they reference throughout this main textbook. So anyways, the review is coming. Thanks for joining me for the unboxing, and I will see you in just a couple weeks with a full review of the Exploring Economics from Notgrass History.